Hi guys, my name is Akash Ubale. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn SMO, social media optimization. And today's topic is how to start using Instagram for business. The step-by-step beginner guide. So let's go on the Instagram. I'm using Insys for Instagram. Okay, it is a Chrome extension, and this is my DG Sky. Okay, my business page by the way. So let's go over here. It's very simple. Click over here and switch to professional account. Let's convert our normal account to professional account. Click on business. Next, learn about followers, reach your customers, get new contact options. Click on next. Select our categories like type DG digital creator. Click over here. Select this option. Click done. It will take some time. Even you can subscribe my channel. This is Akash Ubale. We make high quality videos over here. Okay, just give you some information. Okay, let's give our business information over here, like email ID, my phone number, street, town, blah blah blah, zip code. We will give afterwards. Click on save. You can see they are saying go to the mobile app to learn about the followers with insights, display, editing and many, manage your business account and desktop with business suits and create studio. Click on done. Boom. Now you can see we have created our basic format over here.